Hi everyone, this is Sarah at Kingdom Soapery. We're going to be making a green tea soap today using the heat transfer method. Got a little ambitious and thought I wasn't going to use my stick blender here, and then changed my mind. So here I'm adding the matcha powder and the titanium dioxide and the fragrance oil, which is green tea by Nature's Garden. I made little boba balls with soap dough, so I'm adding those here. I let those dry for a couple days. So see, they're all at the bottom. I'm banging those down to get all the air bubbles and air pockets that might be there from the bobas on the bottom. The soap bobas, really. Now I wanted to break the fall, so I used the spatula to break the fall. Realized I wasn't letting you guys see that, but it was a little hard to do that when I was trying to break the fall. I'll figure a different way to do it next time. But there's that. Now I made this soap mold. It's actually really cool. It's very cheap to make. So I made a tall and skinny one. You can find some tutorials on that here on YouTube. I'll link a couple of the tutorials that I use down below. Wanted to make a cool design on the top that looked like it was in a cup of hot tea, like a latte tea. Have you guys tried any boba teas? How do you guys like them? And what do you think about this design? Answer in the comments below. So there we go, the swirl on the top. And I went back in and got it even more swirlier, which I think it looks really good, in my humble opinion. So I'm spraying the top of the soap loaf with rubbing alcohol to cut down on soda ash that may form at the top of the soap loaf. The rubbing alcohol so that we can... Alright, so here's my cut of the soap. The outside actually did kind of patina a little bit. I'm not sure if the inside will as well. It might. The soap will be ready for purchase around July 11th, the week of July 11th. If you guys want to check out my TikTok, it's at Sarah Lester on TikTok. I'll leave a link down below for that, actually. If you guys follow me on there, I also put different things on there. like when my soaps are ready or if I'm doing any markets.